So guys, welcome back to the channel, One Key Car Garage. We just picked this up. It's a 2011 Infiniti Qx56. Pick it up for $900, but this is why. The paint, apparently there was a lawsuit to Nissan and Infiniti regarding owners experiencing that right there. So I'll double check, see if anything became of that, see if I can probably get a free paint job out of that to rectify that. But that's what she looked like. And guys, it's a 2011, and the other issue we have is the cracked windshield right there. So we're gonna need that for sure. Get the lights up. This is a black interior. We're gonna need to let it rip right there. It's the third row. We got a bunch of boxes we're gonna have to dispose of, but it's a black and black with the third row. All in all, I know they had to start the charge the battery up. The other thing is a cracked steering wheel. Right now, I know it's a little low on oil, so I'm gonna go top that off. Make sure we're good there. Everything seemed to work. Got the check engine light. When I checked it, it was for a misfire, and I think cylinder 3. So hopefully that's just either a coil or a spark plug, something to that effect. But we're gonna go ahead, clean her up, see how she turns out. Got the sunroof. Everything seemed to work here. And that's a cracked windshield right there, guys. It's pretty bad. So we're gonna have to get that sorted. Again, this is a 2011 Infiniti Qx56. Alright, stay tuned. Guys, first drive. It's a powerful beast here. Gonna take her back around the front, get some oil in her. But so far it's running and driving. Knock on wood. We got 200 on the clock. So let's get some oil, and we'll be back on the road. Right. So guys, this is what she looked like right now. A little dirty, but not the worst I've seen. So we're gonna go ahead, clean her up. And for some reason we have a lot of boxes over here. I'm gonna go ahead, take care of all of that. Alright, so we got somebody's junk to contend with. Alright, so stand by. looking better already. Just came out the car wash. Yeah, that didn't solve the paint issue, but missed right in there. I'm gonna have to get in there and do some deep cleaning on that. May or may not have lost some more paint, but we'll see. Of course, that's what I hate about the car washes. Right. And guys, I believe this is the cheapest in the country, running and driving. Wheels can use some cleaning, but all in all, that's not its best side. Let's tuck that back in there. It's a better angle. The camera is giving it the bulge on the back right there. So it cleaned up pretty nicely. Alright guys, so more to come. Just stand by. Got the all-important air freshener up in here. The last one. That is it. Did I mention this is an all-wheel drive version? All right.